Today, we embark on a captivating exploration of the law of attraction, an extraordinary force that can unlock the potential of your dreams and desires. The law of attraction, a timeless principle, states that like attracts like. Simply put, the energy you emit through your thoughts and emotions magnetically draws similar experiences into your reality. Positive thoughts can lead to positive outcomes, just as negative thoughts can manifest negative experiences. The profound truth is, many people think that manifestation does not work because the universe makes no distinction between good or bad thoughts. The universe simply responds to the thought or belief with the strongest emotional feeling and vibration. It's like a cosmic mirror reflecting back to you what you consistently focus on with the greatest intensity. Imagine this: your thoughts and emotions are like powerful magnets influencing the energy you send into the universe. When you think about something with deep emotional hunger, you send a clear signal to the universe, which responds to whatever you have strong emotions and vibrations for. That's why it's crucial to be mindful of the thoughts you entertain and the emotions you nurture. Whether you dwell on positive aspirations or harbor negative fears, the universe faithfully responds, delivering experiences that align with your predominant emotional state. So, let your thoughts be guided by hope, positivity, and unwavering belief in the possibilities that await you. Embrace the transformative power of gratitude, for it acts as the secret ingredient that amplifies the law of attraction. By expressing thankfulness for what you already have, you open the floodgates for more blessings to flow effortlessly into your life. As you focus on what you truly want, the universe listens intently, aligning itself to bring your desires to fruition. It's like a cosmic dance where your dreams become a tangible reality. But remember, it's not just about wishful thinking, it's about inspired action. Picture yourself as the driver of your life's journey, and your thoughts act as the steering wheel. As you envision your success and desired outcomes, take courageous steps towards them, fueled by unwavering faith in yourself and the universe's infinite possibilities. Today, we've set sail on a journey to unlock the law of attraction's profound potential. Armed with these insights, you have the power to manifest your dreams and create the life you desire. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening quest. If you found value in this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, let's harness the magic of the law of attraction and set our course towards a future filled with boundless manifestations.